Is the Profile comparable to the KitchenAid M series? In this video, you'll learn the features including reliability based on over 40,000 service calls between the KitchenAid and Profile dishwashers. In the end, you'll be able to decide which dishwasher may be right for you and your family. Let's get started. Both have good features in completely different ways, but you should avoid either brand if you want to place a panel on your dishwasher. Dishwasher will protrude from your cabinet, so it looks like a dishwasher with a cabinet front stuck on it, rather than the seamless cabinet look you want. The European lines of Bosch, Miele, Beko, and Asco are all seamless and will fit inside the cabinet. KitchenAid meets the minimum standard for quietness at 44 decibels. The dishwasher is louder than their lesser 200 series at 39 decibels because they added another filter for cleaner water. G is below the standard of 42 decibels for a technically quiet dishwasher. However, Profile still uses their Piranha disposer and impellers rotating at 3,600 RPM to pulverize food. They're the only company to beat the quietness standard with a grinder. All the companies use a removable filter you have to clean. KitchenAid touts 4 levels of wash action. You do have one under each rack plus smaller holes from the top rack. Profile advertises 3, but one has a smaller spray head on the top. However, you do have 4 dedicated bottle washers in the Profile. They both have third racks for silverware, however G is a separate silverware basket with 40 sprays underneath, so it'll be better to clean the caked off food off your silverware. Both have improved their drying capabilities. KitchenAid has their Pro Dry system of a heated element plus the fan. Outside air from your kitchen is directed into the dishwasher. The cooler has attracted the steam area and dissipated as water. Profile uses the opposite approach with their Dry Boost system. The fan pulls the hot air out of the dishwasher, drying in plastics 3 times better. KitchenAid should work because they copied Miele's Clean Dry system, which does work. G is decent racks. In many ways they resemble Bosch with a bottom rack, a deep adjustable top rack, and a third rack. KitchenAid, however, is the best. Their racks resemble something NASA would engineer with a deeper top and third rack so you can fit more. You also have smaller sprays mentioned in the Wash series. Profile's microban antimicrobial surfaces on their handles, the front of the racks, and the top of the disposer kill 99% of the germs. Ultrafresh is a fan circulating air in your dishwasher after the cycle is done to eliminate any moisture. Residual moisture can lead to mold, or more likely mildew, and a dishwasher mildew is the odor you smell sometimes. Microban and Ultrafresh are both proven features of the highly successful laundry. Wi-Fi is not a huge feature for dishwashers. It doesn't have recipe tie-ins and added value like cooking. But GE has the best platform for smart functionality called Smart HQ. And dishwasher smart functionality will allow you to turn your dishwasher on or off. You can see the time remaining in the cycle and receive a notification when it's complete. With the quietness of a 42 decibel dishwasher, you'll never open a dishwasher while it's running, like I did last night. GE in all their lines is currently testing service throughout their platform. The product will send an alert with issues and diagnose the part to fix, as a repair agent self-diagnosis would save you a ton of time and frustration. KitchenAid was incredibly reliable last year at just 5.5% service, and the first year was better than even Miele. This Profile dishwasher is completely new, so the reliability is yet to be determined. Almost all their appliances have much better than average reliability. In both Whirlpool, the parent company KitchenAid, and GE have their own service departments and are the best after the sale. KitchenAid has better racks and their 4-level wash system, along with being incredibly reliable. Profile has the better bottle and silverware washes, along with their unique antimicrobial story. They also have Wi-Fi, and they're the only quiet dishwasher with a grinder. Both are good choices. Look at service and availability in your area as key differentiators. Click the link in the description to download our free dishwasher buying guide to learn even more about the best dishwashers for you and your family. And thanks for watching.